Ro ni peteng sobhai phish ka thup khubor mata ka janmit shoban phaj ki khubor ki babnya ini pechwai ki mat bakongsan on Ajin Kren ka president ka ri ha ka janmit shwa ban rakhe ya ka Republic Day ka banya posan menjur ka kinhun menteri ya karta thungkam ha ki tara tre kam sarkar La ban pendap yaki kamara mod jong ke umian stage 1 haswa kaliur ong menteri ka tanat boarding ka sarkar kan sakmi biang hijing ajing mod application shimet na benta ka chairperson bathamai ka MSCW balara ke ka National Voters Day ha Meghalaya ki khubor ki babedia ka president kari ka Draupadi Murmu kan sa Ajin Kren Shakari menta kasngi ka janmit shwa ban rakhe ya ka Republic Day ka banyo phosan ya ka jingkren ka president on sapan I ha ka por nyau baji minmet ha baro kilat pathai khubor kari jong ka Akashwani bat baro ki channel jong ka Doordarshan ha ka Hindi bat bot sa ha ka tin phareng hadin ka jingpen I ya ka jingkren ka president ha ka Hindi bat phareng ha Doordarshan on board sa ka jingpen I ka jingkren hakiktin trairi haki channel baper jong ka Doordarshan ha ka ju ka por ka Akashwani kan sa pensngau ya ka jingkren hakiktin trairi nadu ka por khandashi tengmin mit haki network jong ka jingkren jong ka president hakiktin Khasi on sa pen I hadidi Meghalaya ha ka por nyush tengmin mit kakinhun menteri ka jilla hinin kasngi kalamanjor ya karta na benta ga jingthung kam ha kitanat trekam sarkar kini kitanat trekam ki kenthop ya katanat kam po yeng excise registration taxation and stamps home guards and civil defense prisons and correctional services but katanat forest but environment unong aiktin ka sarkar jilla uba pol lingdo ula batai ba namar ki jingdawa ha ka kam don kam ki kertong banlong ki badang samla ki basmat basting bat baminot bat kumta la penbet ya karta na benta kitei kitana trekam karai jong ka kinhun menteri ka thumu ben pentikna baga jingthung kam kan ya bet renti bat ka jinglong jingman jong ki benta hapo kini kitana trekam
All of these posts are those which require people who will be young in age. So the entry point has been set accordingly, and which is why we have different minimum age and different upper age limit for these various posts. So this requires confirmation by the cabinet, which is why it was taken up for discussion and approval today. We will take another 2 to 3 weeks to advertise, and we should be in a position to complete the process within the next 2 months. It's going to be a huge game changer because as you might have seen, there is a clear deficit of manpower, and this will help address that problem.
Umenteri ka tanat boarding ka sarkar jilla u Abu Tahir Mondal ula ong baki kam maramot jong ka Umiam Stage 1 dam la ban pendap haswa ban sedang kaliur ula ong baka jing sam tliu kadang yat bat ban pet ya ka jinglong jingman jong ka deubilat kumju ban pet hadu katnu kadon ka jingpei umenteri ula ong ru bakandon ka jingkhang ya ka yat ka yeng jong ki kali ondalara ya ka jingking ban bujli ya ki bering umenteri ula ong baka sarkar jella ka bu thong baka ni ka kam ka dei ban yat ringkat bat ka sarkar kala ong shaki ban a ya ka jingpen bet lada la haka kela baningkong ni khat sansngi jong urimpang umandal lakerpat ru ya ki nonglek nongwan ban kiar na ka jingya kni parakali bat buat renti ya ki kendon banlaj na ka jing dhengkali
No, we have restricted all heavy vehicles already. We allow the light vehicles. So in that light vehicles also there are some vehicles like pickups and all these things. They carry sometimes a heavy load. Not that heavy, but during the lifting, those will be fully stopped. We are expecting and we are trying our level best to see that it is completing before the monsoon arrives. We are looking after this bridge because of the dam. Otherwise, the entire portion of the road belongs to PWD. And I have discussed with the Secretary and Chief Engineer of PWD also to find out whether that bridge can be utilized or not. But see, layman's idea is that that bridge has been abandoned for quite a long time. And those times the load factor was completely different. So the entire steel structure is intact or not. And even the abutment, whether that is intact or not. But many onlooker or the people there, they told me that that bridge is not motorable.
Undang aiktin ka sarkar jalla bat menteri sarkar ba polling do habakren halor kamat bayadei bagajing thung ya ka chairperson ka Meghalaya State Commission for Women MSCW ula ong bakani ka kam kan kot haswa jong ukala lingkot bat ki jingkhang menta ki play shakiriu shimet ki bom shim la ai jingmut da ka search committee utei undang aiktin ka sarkar ula ong ba kidang perkhat bahkan jen dalam bahaban play ke jingkang na benta baro bat ke sarkar kan sashim rai kat kum ki jing ai jingmut jong ka search committee kumjo ka application shimet ulo ong ru baling ba ka ni ka kam ong don manu ki ban sngo ba ki lasha kini no yaka kaba kabu ban tap application
by end of January, the entire process will be closed. Now we have opened the doors to even individuals who have not been named by the search committee, so that nobody would feel that they have been denied of an opportunity to apply. In fact, they consider themselves to be, quite fit to hold the post, but they were not named by the search committee. So we thought, in all fairness, let's open the door for everybody, and then the government will take a call based on recommendations of the search committee as well as individual applicants. We have set a deadline, I think somewhere 20th of January or so, as and when we sit for a review by the first week of February, we should be in a position to then select the chairperson.
Ya ka National Voters Day arajar arphausaw la rakhe hauso so tham auditorium Shillong ulat ka jilla uphaku Johan ulalongkum ukongsan ha ka jingalang hagani ka sngi ka tanat election ka jilla kala penkup burom yeki nong shong shnong ba kongsan lembat ki nong ishim benta jongka democracy run ulat ula samru yaki epic shaki nong tap vote hakasin baningkong u chief secretary ka jilla ba DP walang ulayalam ya ka jing bam smai ha ka jing rakhe ya ka National Voters Day kumjo u chief electoral officer CEO ka jilla Dr. BDR Tiwari lambat ka Deputy Commissioner ka East Khasi Hills District kong RM Kurba kilaya kawe lama ya ka Democracy Run na State Central Library Shillong kumshi benta jong ka jing rakhe ka National Voters Day ka phang jong ka National Voters Day arhajar arphosaw ka long nothing like voting I vote for sure Umentri ka tanat boarding u Abu Tahir Mandal ula ong ba kamshim don kanu ka jingakran halor ka jingpelip boarding ya menta bat ka ha ka jilla ka dap ka biang ha ka wei ka liang ula banjur halor ka jing don kam ban pentikna ya ka jing pentrei kam shu jongki project boarding hapo ka jilla ban penduna ya ka jingkerdo boarding halor ka jing pendam ya ka kinshi power project menteri ula ong bana ka benda ka kinshi stage 1 ha ka beningkong ula soya ka saskular ka jingete dakawai ka kinhon penmi boarding balai lut bat ki kwa ya ka jing jrong jong ka dam henrei ka wei na kidaw ka dei na marba ka atomic energy kala kentat ya ka jing jrong jong ka dam na ba ka ne kala ban wanra ya ka jing shlei haki jakati uranium ulaya thuru ba ka tanat kadang khmi benia ban pentrei kam ya ka project boarding hawa omyam
to see that we very judiciously use our electricity so that we don't have the situation that we have last time or last year we have suffered. We will try to minimize as much as possible. Yeah, we have planned on that way only to see that what I also feel very difficult to say because it will transpire that we are going for load shedding immediately. So far till now nothing like that, but maybe depending on the weather condition. Till now we have not discussed about load shedding. That we are self-sufficient is sufficient water is there.
Kasarkar jilla kan supply yo moddur bashirin yang jong unong ya khun lai luat ka jai ben rio Khasi utirot sing ha Indira Gandhi Cultural Center IGCC Dhaka ha ka khan riu tarik rempang yakani la ong da menteri katanat lariti ba polling do haba kren shakilat pathai kubor hadin gajingalang ka kinhun menteri hinin gasngi ulaya thuru ba ka sarkar jalak laya kren bat ka high commission jong ka Bangladesh ka kinhun hapo ka jingalam usimbut menteri rangba ka jalla uba snio bhalang dhar lambat menteri katanat lariti kansa le jingo ya kanong ba Bangladesh banya shimta ka jingalang uba lingdo ula ongru ba ya uni umuddur bashirin yang jong utirot sing lashna penwandur da uriu don sap ma paunam ka jela ba Rafael Warjri.
The statue and the bus have been designed by Rafael Warjri, and after a couple of PowerPoint presentations, including the visuals, this was approved by the Department of Arts and Culture, and as indicated, on the 16th, high-level team led by Deputy CM, Mr. Snyohalandhar, will be part of the unveiling program, or the unveiling of the statue and the bust at Dhaka.
Katama sa talang ka ba arsngi lenter ya ka balatip kum ka tisam habak mara kalas dang da ka jing penlong yiki program riti culture ka put ka tem ka jing pen iya ka sap ka pong kidukan baharukam bat ki bam tinrai ulam phang ka ying dor bar thau an ka jilla u Thomas A Sangma ula play perda ya ka ni gasngi hasim sang Golden Beach haringkat ka jing dalang menteri ka tanat puli puthi urakam A Sangma hababanjor halor ka jingkong san jong kani ka tamsa khamtam heki kam jingo kai perthei bat ka jingkin tiu ya ka lariti urakam ula ai jingero ya ki jingshat kum ka chugan bat ka ruga hagjo ka por ula kintui ki samla ban yai penne pensa ya ka jingrakhe ya ka tisam kintopru ya ki jingele kai sport shalom shawa kum ka zip lining trampoline bat ban shong ya ka hot air balloon. Kumshi benta ban rakhe ka National Voters Day but ban panchlori ki samla ka jugmenta bandon ya ka jingkit kle ka office jo sub divisional patar khma civil subdivision ringkat ka jinge trelang bat ka sarkar bat ka office jong u deputy commissioner ka Ribhoi district hinne ka sngi kila penlong ya ka jinge mare National Voters Day ha patar khma ha ka ni ka jinge mare ki don lightly ki thop kata ki samla ki temmen ki kro bat ki nong shong shnong ki balarang ba na ka benta ki kinthei bat shinrang hagaba boro kilawan ban yashimta shit hemlang hababinjur halor gajing kongsan jongkani ka program uba MB Tongper uba day sub divisional officer ka patar khma civil subdivision ula banjur ba kani kajing thumu kan nang yat shakmat wat hadin kajing rakhe ka National Voters Day ka election branch jong ka West Giant Hills ru kumjo kala rakhe ya ka National Voters Day ka bakhat saw hajoai
of India is an country. You can read and play for control. Kapten is not command board. Mentang kasem ngani tiap board be. Kata di katim. Mentang di kasem jongka MP election. Di kanu nabi lah kasem. Pasti. Selabun. Baru kau jadi tiap board. Begini kita bilang bro, ini mentang hayi kasem ba. Kini balik tiap board. Kemau hang ni dan hari India kaba bahetam ke demokrasi. Kini kita orang kadi freedom run. Kimbarek dapat kaki nak hidup. Ini pengira tiap board yang penjit kita umat. Kita kerja ni sehingga wish happy National Voters Day.
Hakawai ni ki program bala penyat da ka BJP Southwest Garo Hills Ampati la penlong ya ka Pradhan Mantri Ujwala Yojana distribution ceremony hagaro Badha Bazar. U Vice President ka BJP haga jilla Udipal R Marak ula long ukongsan hagaba ula pensyai ya ka jingkular na ka benta ka bha ka miat jong kishnong kitaw. Kani ka program ka thmu ban pen ya ka jingkhoj bat ka jingla ban yo ya ki tendong shet jingshet shaman kilong yeng. Kaba penyar ringkat bat ka jing pentrekam jong kani ka mission ban penyar ya ka bha ka miat jong baro kishnong kitaw. Kani ka long jing pentip shikinong shong shnong ba ka yeng sa ulat ka jilla Karaj Bhavan Shillong kan play na kabenta ki pai ba haka arpun riu turik ukala lingkot arhajar arposaw nadu kapor lai baji hadu prabaji janmet. Mentani ni pai ya jing long jingman jong ka swim deng ha Shillong. Kajing shet kalong khatsan 0.1 degree Celsius pat kajing kriat kalong 0.4 degree Celsius. Kajing sngam kahau-hau kalong nyau puar na kashispa menstep bat nyau puar na kashispa janmet. Kalak bandon kajing hap slap ka ba melu mela pat kajing tap lo hakikat tu kat ni kibenta. Shoban poish ke bekut jong katup kubo jengi menta ka janmet ngini pej biang sasisi ni kimat bakongsan. On ai jingkren ke Presiden Geri ha ke janmet Shua ban rakhe ya ka Republic Day ke bahniau pesan. Menjer ka kenhun menteri ya kerta hungkam hakitna trekap sorka. Lak ban pendep iki kamaramot jong ke umian stage 1 haswa kalior ang menteri ke tengah boarding. Kasorkar kan sekpi biang hijing ai jingmut application Shimet na benta ke chairperson bertemai ke MSCW. Bat larake ke National Voters Day ha Meghalaya. Tipalok dikituki kubor gila poi shaka bakut jong katup kubor jengi meta ka jamit hadu bangin dia syam biang mat pila syai kesengi kublai pi baro.
चुनाव संपन्न कराए जा चुके हैं. देश में 96 करोड़ से अधिक मतदाता है तथा आम चुनाव में लगभग 12 लाख मतदान केंद्र स्थापित किए जाएंगे. इस वर्ष आम चुनाव को संपन्न कराने में लगभग